Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the pause menu distance in Half-Life Alyx. So if the pause menu for you, just pause the game. If it feels too close or too far or too low, too high, you can go to options and select interface. And here you have the pause menu distance and pause menu height options. It's in the interface. And you can adjust these however you want. So I have everything maxed out, but you can adjust them. I can lower the height. Once I've adjusted all the settings, to apply them I need to resume the game and just pause it again. And you will see that the menu is now all the way down here. So once again, if I want to just adjust it, I have to restart that menu. You can see that it's back to normal. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.